Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing a Etsy haul, and before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know if you like haul videos, if you like watching me unbox stickers or planner kits. So let me know down below, and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification so every time that I post you will be notified, so you can go ahead and watch the videos so you won't be behind, you guys. But anyway, so today we are doing a haul. So there is this Etsy shop called Tempest XOXO Design. She's a very new Etsy shop that has reached out to me and was asking if she can send me some stickers. And of course I said yes, because I absolutely love helping out smaller businesses, you know, helping them get their foot in the door or whatever it may be, because I want them to succeed as much as I want to succeed on YouTube. I want them to succeed on Etsy shop. But as you know, in February, I was coloring in my no spin stickers because I didn't have any stickers. And then I was makeshifting, like using my washi tape and all that stuff, because I was trying to save money and everything and budget, and it was a reason to use my washi tapes. But Tempest, she reached out and asked if I could send her some stuff. So of course I was like, yes, let's do it and everything else. And she sent me this box like 2 days later, you guys. So we are going to unbox it, and I have not looked in here yet, so I'm actually pretty excited. And I will leave all her stuff down below because she deserves like customers, because she's amazing. All right, so what is this? I think this is probably a note. Let's see what it says. I'm going to scan through it. It says, thank you for giving me the opportunity to send you my products. Please let me know if there is something I can do to improve. So she wants my honest opinion, and I will give it to her. April budget is the format I will be using for my budget kits from here on out. And then it says the planner stickers and was printed on premium matte photo stickers paper. Thank you so much, Tempest. So let's see. Oh, this is really cute. It's Valentine's. That is super cute. That's very creative too, for like packaging and everything else. Oh, I just messed it up, but don't do this. Let's see. It's like ASMR. Oh my gosh, she sent me so much stuff, you guys. She is, oh my gosh, she is the sweetest. All right, so let's start with the first one. All right, you guys, so, wow, oh my gosh. I need some scissors. Hold on just a second. All right, you guys, so I'm going to zoom y'all in so y'all can see what I got. All right, so she gave me some stickers that says cash, savings, and budget, and I like it. It's really pretty. I'm a sucker for floral, so I really like these. So that is super cute. And I'm just going to let y'all know, this is my opinion. I'm not being nice. I'm not like trying to get her customers just because I want her to. I mean, I'm going to give my own opinion. All right, so next is Payday and No Spins, and I love them. I love the glitter. Like, I love glitter. Can you see the green? That is so pretty. And then the No Spin. So the only thing I would say about these is that I would love for it to be just a little bit bigger, just because of my planner. So let me just show you my old no spin stickers that I have used, and this is what they look like. The old no spin stickers are right here, and they're a little bit tinier than what I'm used to, but I mean, I don't mind trying something different. So these are super cute. Bonus points for the glitter. All right, and then there's plain no spin, so that is neat. I really do love the cursive writing, so that's a win. I think you should most likely keep the cursive. Okay, so next we have some Bill Do. Now, the only reason why I probably will not use the Bill Do's, which this is a great concept. I love it. I think it's really cute, really simple. The only reason I wouldn't is because the boxes on my planner is so small, and when I buy stuff, I have to, you know, color coordinate and everything and put the budget stickers on that. So I will probably do it sometimes, but not all the time. Oh, I love these. These are cute. Payday stickers. So again, I love the cursive, and I love that there is the dollar signs. So that is super cute. And I'm guessing these are Bill Do stickers. So we have some in pink and red, teal, blue. What else? Let's see. Green, yellow, orange, purple. Oh my gosh, that is like every single color. Now, I don't have to use these as bill stickers. I can actually use it as can't really talk, as my budget stickers like I do on these. So, I mean, I can use these. I have to improvise, right, you guys? So that's really, really neat, and it's super cute. So if you don't want these Bill Do stickers, that they're kind of like bulky and stuff, you can always go with this. Now they're probably the same size, I believe. I feel like these are a little bit bigger than these, but these are just longer. So I think that is such a cute idea, and I can use it as my budget stickers. I mean, I don't have a problem with that. Oh, she gave me budget stickers. Oh my gosh. So like the Bill Do stickers, she has the regular budget stickers, and they're actually they look a lot smaller than I use, but smaller is better because, you know, I like to go shopping. So we have pink, gray, yellow, purple, teal, red. So I would probably maybe get another blue possibly, but the gray, I don't think I've ever seen anybody have a gray stickers for the ones that I've seen on Etsy. I'm not sure, but I don't know. Gray's really not my color, but then again, I just looked at a house that was nothing but gray. Maybe, I don't know. This kind of looks more like brown to me, but I'm also wearing glasses, so I really don't know my colors, or I can't really see anyway. So, but I think these are super cute. I'm definitely going to use these. All right, so then she gave me months. So they're just black and white and cursive, and it says January through December. So I really like this, and I'm wondering if it would go, I was seeing if it will go at the beginning of my kits. Let's see. Oh, maybe. So if we go like this, it'll overlap a little bit, maybe. I don't know if she was trying to do that, but maybe make it a little bit bigger if people want to cover that date, just for that. And then these are actually will be for the actual calendar, I'm guessing. But these are super cute too, so they would actually go, I think it'll probably overlap. I'm pretty sure it will. It looks like it will. Yeah, it looks like it will be the right size, so that's a win. I will try to use this. Oh, and I like these. Monthly goals, sinking funds, birthday, cash envelopes, debt trackers, savings tracker, budget, goals, and total. So I haven't been doing goals, but that would be fun. We can put it at the very beginning of my planner of every month. So that would be really cute. I love those. I really love simple things. All right, so we got some washies. So we have some smalls and some bigs, and we have cherries and the pink background. I like them. They feel really nice. And I love washes, and I love pink, so I think this is a win. And then last but not least, oh, I like this. This is like mostly just cursive and then not as bold. So that's really cute. I really like these. Oh my gosh, she's so sweet. She's killing it. She's going to be so successful, you guys. So I'm going to link everything down below. All right, so the next package is green. So this is our March kit that I'm going to make a video on, filming the March kit and everything. So I think that would be fun. So we have the 4-leaf clovers, and we have some stickers. So I can just put all of these on my planner somewhere, maybe. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to figure it out. Maybe this doesn't, maybe this goes with the like life planner that you can plan your days like by the hours and stuff. But I think it's really cute. I mean, I can use it for Erin Condren planner. I don't really care. So that's really nice. Really cute. It's very cute. It's very vibrant. I love the green. I love the yellow. It's very like festive. Oh, I love this. This is super cute. But again, I think this is, which, you know, I just told her that I have the Erin Condren 7.9 planner. But I think this is really cute. I mean, I can use it. I will figure it out, you guys. I can probably put this on the top, like right here. That would be really cute. Like all the ideas are like forming for me, you guys. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Baby Yoda. These are so cute and they're so well made. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. I am literally dying, you guys, because you know, Baby Yoda has blown up. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. She did so good. Oh my god, this is, if you're a Baby Yoda fan, go check her Etsy shop out and get these are so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely going to use these. I don't even care how I use them. I'm going to use them. All right, so I like this is cool. So it has your to do today, this week, to clean. This is really cool. So I do have my own like regular planner, so that would be fun. It's not an Erin Condren planner, but it's just a regular planner. So maybe I could just do a video and show y'all how I use these. But you know, I will use this, whether it be my Target planner that I have. But this is really cool. I love it. It's a little bit light. The green is a little bit lighter than the other ones, so you can tell. But I mean, I'm not complaining, but it's just going to look a little bit different if I decide to use this and then use like a sticker off of here. So we'll see. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. She did so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Baby Yoda again. So we have actually one more package. All right, so this is the last package that she put. She gave me so much, you guys. She really did. Oh my gosh. All right, so this is April's theme. I love the floral. I'm just saying, love it. All right, so we have some Bill Do stickers again, so that's exciting, and I love the purple. Purple's really, really pretty. I really like it. All right, so we have some washies. I'm so excited to use these, you guys. So we have some small washies, some big washies. And they're a little bit different. This one has like a stripe background, and this one, it doesn't really have stripe, it just has a lot of floral. So that is pretty neat. I can't wait to use it. Oh, what is this? Ooh, let's see. I'm going to set that washies aside. So we have a April budget. Oh, we have sinking funds and transaction logs. That'll be fun. Debt tracker. So I have never bought a debt tracker, so that would be fun to do. Debt snowball. I have not bought any of those yet. Oh, debt. She gave you the option for a debt avalanche. So I'm kind of doing the debt snowball, but debt avalanche, that's great for like giving people the opportunity or the option to go either snowball or avalanche. So that is fun. Let's see. We have paycheck number 1, paycheck number 2, paycheck number 3, and paycheck number 4. I wish I had 3 paychecks in April so I can use 3 of these, but I have 3 paychecks in May. All right, so the same thing. We have the monthly goals, the sinking funds, and it's in cursive, and it's in this like lavender color. It probably looks a little bit darker on camera, but it's super cute. And then we have the same thing, but it is in a light pink. Now, I don't have to use this for April. I could use it for May for the light pink, so that would be fun. Oh, weekly check-in. I absolutely love weekly check-in stickers. They are great. Because, you know, I do weekly check-ins, just to let y'all know. Oh, this is cool. I've never bought any of them that has the 1, 2, 3, like the numbers and everything. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is very cute, very me. So I'm definitely going to use that. Oh, she gave me another one. She gave me 2. That's cool. I like this. So my thing is, I think that instead of just putting April on there, like put April somewhere else, because then maybe if they don't do the April budget or whatever, they can use this for May or for June or for July, and then they'll have the April sticker like somewhere else, and then you can just put it on the washi. So that's my opinion. So then people can use it multiple times, so that would be cute. I like it. But she did give me 2 designs. Love that. Ooh. Oh, she gave me March. Oh, this is fun. I love it. So more floral, and this is like zebra. Oh, okay. More floral and more zebra. I was out of the picture. So this, oh my gosh, this is so fun. I don't know which one to use though. Probably floral, because I absolutely love the floral. This is like a lot festive and stuff, you know. So that's gonna be fun. I love that. Let's see. Oh, she gave me big washi and little washies for the fun festive March one. And then she also gave me the weekly check-in. Let me see. Oh, and I think I'm sure it, oh, it goes with it. So either one that we use, it'll go with it. So that's fun. So she gave me the debt tracker, the debt snowball, debt avalanche, paycheck 1, 2, 3, 4. And then she gave me some washi, so that's a fun. I really like this, like I really do. She did a great job. And then the weekly check-in, so that is super fun, you guys. So that is pretty much it that she got me. So I'm just gonna like lay everything out and then show y'all the finished product, like everything that she gave me. You guys, do you literally see this? She is amazing. Like she really wanted to send me all this for an honest review so she can make changes to her Etsy shop and to her stickers, and I think she did great. Like I'm not just saying that, you guys. I really not. This is my honest opinion. She is great. Go to her shop, you guys. Just go, because she's great. I'm gonna link all her stuff down below. Thank you so much to Tempest XOXO Designs for reaching out to me, because I absolutely love helping small businesses or small YouTube channels. And a lot of people that I have talked to on this channel knows that I'm super supportive. I will go to your channel, I will go to your shop, I will support you guys, I will check out y'all's products. I mean, I will give my honest opinion, and it's just who I am, you guys. I absolutely love helping people, and that's just my passion. That's probably why I'm in the medical field, but I love helping people. So let me know if you are a small business, if you want your name out there like Tempest does, because she wants to create beautiful, pretty much beautiful artwork for your Erin Condren planners. So her stuff will be down below, and go and check her out, you guys. Even if you don't buy it, share her link, share her Etsy shop, so we can get her name out into the world of budgeting. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I know this is a very long video, and I know it's probably boring, but I was super excited. I hope you are excited about this haul, and please again go and support her. She is amazing, and she wants to get to know you guys also. So absolutely love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.